Hi guys, Mary here. I've just got a few seconds before my kids come busting out of here to, well, just be toddlers basically. I am going to be doing a quick review of my new chair, which you kind of already see in the back. I'm not gonna keep jabbering. As you can see, the leather is just overlapping the screw hole in a way that if I try to force it, it'll be ripped. So I gotta figure out how to scoot the leather over or carefully cut it, I guess. This here has been cut and it is not cut on this side. So just a mild, like it's not gonna ruin the chair or anything, it's just a mild grievance. This piece, I wish it had a band like the top headrest did, but it just kind of sits here. Okay, so that was me putting the chair together. Overall, I really like it. It's very comfy, very padded, obviously very, very cute. Just wanted to share some joy with you. It was a birthday gift for me and I just wanted to share it. All right, Mary out.